The deliberation on the Indonesian territory that took place in the committee meetings points to a glimpse of the founding fathers' consciousness, ideas, and attitude about what the Indonesian state might look like. But it begs the question whether or not they intended this vision to be immutable.
I think everybody agreed at that time that because there's still excesses of Dutch influence in the regions, they need to have a strong centralized government to unite everyone else. And then there's agreement from everybody, okay, let's do that first. We create our independent state, and then after the Dutch are gone or we give independence, then we need to talk about how we manage this new country. And a lot of people from outside Java thinks that we need to have also our own autonomy and also our interests being addressed, which did not happen. Because later on in 57, 58, you have the Permas-Temporary Rebellion. It's part of that manifestation of this dissatisfaction that, hey, we fought to establish this nation, and then our interests are not being addressed. We demand more regional autonomy, and then they revolted. Yeah, that's later in 57. But that's part of the excesses of this. But the term NKRI, that's later. It came to become popular after the loss of Timor-Leste. Yeah. Before that, you don't use that. We don't hear that. But we have centralized government. And they now become very popular.
A revisit to the intellectual history of Indonesia's territory is a reminder of how iterative Indonesia's territory has been. It was created under a process that was neither set in stone before Western imperialism, nor once independence was attained, unlike the notion, NKRI Harga Mati, that many Indonesian leaders and people use, almost religiously. Rather, the Indonesian territory is a process that continues to be in the making and unmaking, and to be accepted and challenged, even to this day.
The most important thing is that we have to honor the decision of the people of East Timor. Whatever they decide, it must be for them, for the best of the people of East Timor.
I have the honor to announce that the Aceh National Armed Force, TNA, or gun fighters are now demobilized and decommissioned.
Cries of freedom and independence for the people of Papua in a guerrilla camp in Western New Guinea, a remote corner of Indonesia. This camp is in the Balian Valley.
Perhaps, in the 75 years of the state, it's time to read the Founding Fathers' aspirations as they are, along with their shortcomings, rather than an indisputable mandate.